case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a legal battle that captured attention well beyond the courtroom, the Supreme Court of Missouri in 1971 adjudicated a contentious will dispute in the case of Barnes v. Marshall. The principal argument rested on the mental competence of the testator, Dr. A.H. Marshall, who made a will leaving an estate worth $525,400 to several beneficiaries, including individuals, churches, charities, and fraternal organizations. Dr. Marshall's daughter, acting as plaintiff, challenged the validity of the will, alleging that her father was not of sound mind when he made the decisions on how to distribute his assets. At the heart of the dispute was whether Dr. Marshall fully understood the magnitude and implications of his decisions, given that he was displaying erratic behavior and delusions of grandeur at the time he made his will. The plaintiff's case was strengthened by a combination of lay and medical witness testimonies, all of which painted a picture of Dr. Marshall as a man troubled by a flawed perception and understanding of reality at the time he penned his will. In what was seen as a blow to the beneficiaries, the initial trial's jury sided with the plaintiff, agreeing that Dr. Marshall was indeed not mentally fit when he made the will. Unsurprisingly, the verdict was not well received by the defendants, who appealed the decision, asserting that the plaintiff's evidence was unsupported. They contested the jury's verdict, igniting a legal fight that moved to the state's highest court. The Supreme Court, however, found no error in the lower court's verdict. They upheld the trial court's judgment, acknowledging the plaintiff's evidence, including the testimony from lay witnesses and medical experts that emphasized Dr. Marshall's troubled mental state, affirming Dr. Marshall's lack of mental capacity at the time he made the will. The Supreme Court did note, however, that the jury instruction provided could have been better framed. Despite this, the instruction did not lead to a reversible error. In a dramatic end to a contentious legal battle, the Supreme Court's decision held, marking the conclusion of the case, and the will of Dr. Marshall was found to be invalid. Steering clear from the repetitions, duplications, or inconsistencies, the comprehensive evidence presented stood undisputed, consequently reaffirming the plaintiff's claim.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.